Welcome to Royal Enfield Himalayan. Do it yourself for engine oil replacement. Ensure the vehicle is on its center stand on level ground. Start the engine and run it for 2 minutes and then switch off the engine. Allow the oil to settle for a few minutes. Place a clean tray below the engine. Place the thick cardboard on drain plug bottom side. Using 8 mm ring spanner, loosen the strainer cover bolts, 2 numbers, and remove the strainer cover with the rubber gasket. Remove the oil strainer from the crank case LHS. Note: do not spill the engine oil on the engine bottom shield. Place the thick cardboard on oil filter cover bottom side. Using 8 mm ring spanner, loosen and remove the 3 bolts from the oil filter cover. Remove the strainer cover along with spring and cover gasket. Gently pull out the oil filter from the RH cover. Insert the new oil filter element in RH cover. Install the cover gasket. Fix the oil filter cover using 8 mm ring spanner. Insert the oil strainer. Note: the strainer has taper on one side. The thinner side of the strainer is to be inserted into the crank case and the thicker side is to be towards the oil strainer cover. Fix the strainer cover using 8 mm ring spanner. Remove the oil filler cap and top up till the level between maximum and minimum mark. Do not overfill. Always use Royal Enfield specified oil as mentioned in the owner's manual. Oil capacity minimum to maximum is approximately 350 ml. Refit the oil filler cap. That's it. You have done the engine oil replacement.